Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Chat. If you are using your school account, it's called Google Chat. If you are using your personal account, it is called Google Hangouts. So either way, you can use Google Hangouts to chat, or you can use Google Chat to chat with school, and this one is personal account. You can find it right over here, or you can find it right there. Just click on the waffle, and the chat will also be there. So you can click on the chat and go straight to the chat. You can start a conversation. You can click on the plus and add the name of somebody that you wanted to chat with, or click on somebody's name that you recently chatted with. So you will have that. It's the same thing with right over here on Google Hangouts. So start using Google Chat or Google Hangouts, and they are both free as long as you have your Gmail or you have a Google account. Enjoy!